All right, big political war today broke out in Rajya Sabha, where the chairperson Jagdeep Dhankar said that 50,000 cash was recovered besides the seat allotted to Congress MP Abhishek Manu Singhvi. The claim by Dhankar on the floor of the House led to protests by Congress MPs, with Mallikarjun Kharge stressing that names should not be taken before a detailed investigation.
Apparently, a wad of currency notes was recovered by the security official from seat number 20222, presently allotted to Sri Abhishek Manu Singhvi, elected from state. I don't cast any aspersion on anyone.
Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar on Friday morning informed the Rajya Sabha he had ordered a probe into the recovery of cash from Congress MP Abhishek Manu Singhvi's bench. Leader of Opposition Mallikarjun Kharge, however, questioned the chairman for naming Singhvi when the probe was yet to be completed.
Without investigating, how can you say a particular man or particular seat?
Union ministers immediately rose in support of Dhankar.
I don't understand why there should be objection that the chair should not take the name of the member. When? No, but then chairman has rightly pointed out the seat number and the member who occupies that particular seat number. What is wrong in that? Why there should be objection?
The charges triggered an angry exchange of words.
मुझे आप पर और आपकी रूलिंग पर पूरा भरोसा है कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिटेल में होगा और दूध का दूध पानी का पानी होगा। लेकिन प्रजातंत्र में कभी कुछ बातें अपने पक्ष में आती हैं, कुछ अपने विपक्ष में आती हैं। किसी पर आप तीव्रता दिखाओ और किसी मुद्दे को आप मिट्टी डालो, यह ठीक नहीं है। हमारे लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, मैं उनसे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि वो कहेंगे कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो, अच्छे तरीके से हो, लेकिन मैं लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन के वक्तव्य में कहीं इन्वेस्टिगेशन को प्रीएम्प्ट करने की कोशिश तो नहीं चल रही है, इसको भी ध्यान में रखने की जरूरत है।
We never objected that you should not investigate. Have we objected? Why Mr. Nadda should say that I am trying to suppress that matter? We never. You suppress so many things, and you people do that. We don't do that. It is your quality.
While the chairman did not reveal the amount, sources tell India Today 50,000 rupees was found. Congress MP Abhishek Manu Singhvi denied the money belonged to him.
Fortunately or unfortunately, I came at 12:57 inside the house after signing my attendance. 1 o'clock the house rose, I went and had lunch with Ayodhya Rami Reddy in the canteen, and then I went away. I think more important is that everything in the house should not lead to cheap tactics and arop, pratyarop, allegation, counter-allegation for everything. I think it demeans our level. But anyway, it should be fully inquired into how the security lapse occurred, who put it, rightly or by mistake. But it's no point, in fact, I would question the very rationale of even mentioning 222 as the seat number.
The recovery comes even as the BJP and Congress are locked in a fierce face-off over Adani's indictment in a US court. While the Congress is demanding a JPC probe into allegations that Gautam Adani paid bribes to land a solar deal, the BJP has accused the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, of working in tandem with billionaire George Soros and foreign agencies to hurt India's growth story.
जॉर्ज सोरोस और राहुल गांधी ये एक ही हैं। राहुल ही जॉर्ज है, राहुल ही जॉर्ज है और जॉर्ज का एजेंडा ही राहुल का एजेंडा है। जो सोरोस चाहता है वही राहुल चाहते हैं। सोरोस भारत का अमंगल चाहता है, अहित चाहता है। राहुल गांधी भी भारतवर्ष का अमंगल और अहित चाहते हैं।
वो लोग जवाहरलाल नेहरू जिन्होंने 13 साल आजादी की लड़ाई में जेल में काटे, उनको देशद्रोही कह सकते हैं। जो इंदिरा जी को देशद्रोही कह सकते हैं, जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान को के 2 टुकड़े किए, जो शहीद हुए इस देश के लिए, जो राजीव जी को देशद्रोही कह सकते हैं। तो अगर वो राहुल जी को ऐसा करें तो इसमें कोई नई बात तो है नहीं।
लगातार विरोध प्रदर्शन हो रहा है प्रियंका जी,
और मुझे बहुत गर्व है अपने भाई पे।
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए क्या करेंगे?
मेरे भाई के लिए देश से ऊपर कुछ नहीं है।
Parliament only resumed working this Monday after the first week was washed out. Now the tussle between the BJP and Congress is set to heat up the winter session further. With Piyush Mishra in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.